Hi everyone, I am Shiv Gupta and today I am going to share some tips on how you can convert ice cold visitors into your loyal customers instantly. Number 1. Offer value first. Everyone wants to convert their website visitors into loyal customers and you can do that too. All you have to do is offer them value first. Many businesses talk about added value. Wouldn't it be great if they give value first instead of adding it later on? It is all about building business relationships based on trust. You have to give them awesome information first that can be helpful for them. So help them out first. Give them a lot of valuable information, free consultation, strategy sessions. No one is just going to buy from you. People only buy when they know you. And the best way to tell them about your business is by adding more value and showing them that you can actually help. Number 2, keep the important part above the fold. You can also do the same by keeping the most important element and a form above the fold of your landing page. The more scrolling people have to do, the less likely they stick around and fill the form or take action. Like on the screen, you can see a website that has no hook point or no CTA on the top, and on the other side you can search incrementors.com. You will notice on the home page there is a hook line, boost your sales in next 6 months, and there is a CTA where you need to fill your name and email address to download the PDF. So which website attracts you the most? The one with nothing above the fold with an unclear message, or the one with eye-catching hook with a clear message? So go ahead, check your homepage screen and see whether you have a weird image that doesn't tell what you want your visitors to do next, or a slider with just some random text instead of a message telling the visitors what they should do next. Number 3. Give them a little extra in exchange for a small commitment. When someone is reading your content, give them a little extra in exchange for a small commitment, like adding a small PDF related to the same topic which they can download after filling their name and email in a form. This strategy helps because if visitors are willing to give you a small commitment, it shows that they are interested. You are building a connection with them, and then it will become easier for you to sell them stuff later on. You can also do this from quizzes, ebooks, crash courses, assessments, webinars. They are all ways to do this and people love all of them. Now, I would not recommend just saying put in your email and subscribe to my newsletter. This will not really give too much value there. But when you give them something tangible in exchange for the email, it converts really well. Number 4. Social proof. As a user, would you buy a product that has no rating or reviews? Absolutely no. Adding client testimonials or reviews on your website helps your customers to trust you, and if they see positive results delivered by you to your clients, they will definitely contact you. Testimonials are a powerful asset for your business. Having social proof on a website is a must for every business. Whatever services or products you sell, social proof can help you to boost your conversion faster than before. Build your brand's reputation by strategically placing the customer recommendations across the web. Be sure to add testimonials to your website. You can take reviews on your Facebook, Google, or it's even better if you get a video testimonial and spread them across social media and your website. Also, one question which I keep getting is what to do if you have just started and don't have a lot of clients. Some of them ask, should I fake it until I make it? Well, for that, my friend, go ahead, serve a few people at an extremely low cost or for free. Take them to the next level and then ask for a testimonial and referral clients. This is the best and the right way to grow. Number 5. Follow up and nurture your audience. Don't expect people to just automatically convert. You have to nurture them, which can be done by doing email sequences. Any email software from ConvertKit to MailChimp all offer this. I even like remarketing my website visitors. So once you know someone has come to your site and read your content, irrespective of whether they shared their details or not, you can still reach out to them via remarketing ads. You have to show video ads or text-based ads that continually warm people up and give more and more value. Because then when they come back to your site, it is easier for you to convert them. You should also do push notifications regularly. Send them more and more information that helps you reduce them. Do the same with Facebook Messenger. Every time you release a new blog post, push out through Facebook Messenger. It gets more people back to your site. So if you follow all these tips, you will be better off. You will convert way more of your visitors into customers instead of having maybe 1% or 2% of your visitors converting into customers and the 99% going away and never coming back. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Until then, keep moving forward. Bye-bye.